May I take this opportunity to welcome you to the beautiful surroundings here at Harefield Barn on this very special day for Thomas and Marta, as they celebrate one of life's greatest moments, the joining of two hearts.
You are my best friend, and it's crazy to think today is finally here after 2.5 years. I'll be honest, when I was getting ready this morning, I looked in the mirror and thought to myself, Marta is one lucky girl. I'm obviously joking. I didn't think you could get much more beautiful, but you look incredible tonight.
What if we ran away, just us, no plans inside? What if we took our dreams, the stories we could write? No matter where we go, we know that our love will find.
Marta, I give you this ring
Marta, I give you this ring
as a token of our marriage
as a token of our marriage,
and as a sign of my love and commitment
Sign of my love and commitment
through the good times,
through the good times,
challenging times,
the challenging times,
today and always.
today and always.
And it now gives me the greatest of pleasure to announce that you are indeed husband and wife, and you may kiss your bride.
There are 3 amazing qualities you have why I knew you were the one. You always put others first, you stand up for what you believe in, and you laugh at all my jokes.
Can you please help me celebrate the Polish tradition of having a shot of vodka on a wedding day with me and my best friend, I'm only allowed to say it once, Tom. So, na zdrowie!
And their first dance as husband and wife. Make some noise.
I love you both with all my heart. May you always follow your dreams. Never give up on what you truly believe. To Mr. and Mrs. Bennett. Cheers.